Hello guys, welcome back to your number one oil palm farming channel in West Africa. Today I've gotten a good news for us all. There are so many situations whereby people are planning for their oil palm project and they don't have any option to raise their own seedlings themselves because of certain factors. Like maybe there is no reputable and commercial nursery around where they are that can supply them with quality seedlings, making it difficult if for example you will be traveling from Ogun State or from Cross River State to Benin City just for you to go and get seedling, or you are traveling from Ibadan, then you are traveling from Enugu to Ibadan to go and buy seedlings. It's too far from you, and you need seedling in thousands, maybe 5,000, 10,000. In that kind of situation, you don't the only thing you need to do is to raise your own seedlings on your farm. And I notice there is a knowledge gap about how you can successfully raise oil palm seedlings on your own. There are even so many people that want to go into the business of nursery, raising nursery in their own area to supply farmers. And that is why I've sat down on my own as an oil palm consultant, put the knowledge in a book, and that is what you have on your screen. Easy step-by-step guide on how to raise oil palm seedlings. I put this book together for farmers, intended farmers who are at the planning stage. Maybe you want to reduce the cost of your establishment. If you want to reduce the cost of your establishment, the best thing for you to do is to raise your seedlings, particularly for people who wants to establish plantation, and they will be needing seedlings in 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, so much. If you need maybe seedling around 1,000, 2,000, it's advisable you go and buy from a reputable nursery. But in a situation whereby you are needing 10,000 and your distance is far from a nearby nursery, the best thing for you, in order not to create an hole into your pocket and increase your cost of establishment, the best thing for you is to establish your own nursery. And before you can do that, you need knowledge. And that is why I put together this book. So if you know you are in this circle, you need to get this book. It's only available in soft copy. And all the guidelines, all the instruction, everything is well detailed. No grammar, no jargons, no scientific jargons. Everything laid down step by step in simple man's time. So I will advise you get this. Get this if you are at the planning stage. And coincidentally, again, this is the best time for you to establish or start a nursery if you intend to use it next year. So the book is available on Seller, and you can also reach out to me on the number showing on your screen to have a soft copy of it. It's only available in soft copy. So the book is a complete guide on how to set up your own nursery, how to start from site selection to site preparation, how to do your bag filling, how to do your arrangement, to the planting, how to do your planting, your seed sourcing, how to go about watering schedule, how to go about pest control in the nursery, how to go about fertilizer application, everything you need to know about raising an oil palm seedling in the right way, that at the end of the 9 months or at the end of the 12 months, you will come out with a mature, healthy, and a vibrant seedling. So, and it is very, very affordable. The price is just 3,500 naira for now. In the next few weeks, I'm going to be increasing the price to 5,000 naira flat. So you have to take the offer now if you know definitely you have need for this knowledge. There's a knowledge gap about it in this sector, particularly raising of oil palm seedling. So this is a gift. It's like an end of the year gift to you. And if you know you have an oil palm project planning for next year, you need to get it. And also my second book, how to build generational wealth through oil palm farming in Nigeria. This is Nigeria best-selling oil palm book. I've sold about 1,000 copies and no single bad comment about it. It's also available on seller. It's available in hard copy. You can reach out to me with the number showing on your screen. I remain my humble self, Lawa Olushola Lawa, your favorite and your number one oil palm consultant. I'm a farmer by training, by education, and by practice. And this channel is dedicated to promote sustainable and profitable agriculture. If you are watching me for the first time, kindly click on subscribe button to have access to more of my videos. Thank you for your time and see you on the next one. Sheshe.